Hi, just a quick video because a lot of people ask how you do your filming. There's a lot of fancy ways you can do it, but I saw somebody else doing this. 2 long paper towels, and I found a double towel rail that I fit on top. I put my phone on top and I do my tutorials under there. Of course I move the phone and everything so you can't see the paper towels. But just a cheap way if you want to do a tutorial where you're looking right down on something. Of course I move the phone away and I put the table over, just a little coffee table, all my junk's under there. I move it over by a window or my round slider to get a better light. But that is how I have my setup when I was doing my tutorials. And I don't do many tutorials at the moment because I don't do many fancy stitches. I just stick with the same old thing, which is fine for me because I'm still a learner. I've been going since last July and now is the 1st of April. So not that long really, but I'm quite happy with what I do. So I hope this gives you a cheap idea of how you can do filming, whether it's card making or knitting, crochet, modelling, anything. It's just really an easy solution that doesn't cost any money. Okay, bye.